Well, we're a environmental compliance company out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're experts getting the environmental compliance clearances for towers before they go up, primarily the NEPA check requirements. That's the National Environmental Policy Act. There's 9 items that have to be complied with on that checklist for the FCC rules, and we're experts at getting that process done in a very timely fashion. And so we're showcasing that to all the carriers and vendors here today.
What trends are you seeing in the industry at this show?
Trends from our standpoint, from our seminar we did yesterday, I mentioned a few trends. One is going more from an e-commerce standpoint as far as our regulatory compliance is concerned. So we're able to use the internet more for a lot of our submissions to the agencies. But also we're seeing a lot of trends with more and more tribes getting more deeply involved in the cultural resources interest in each project. For instance, it's not uncommon for us to deal with 10 to 15 separate tribes per tower, and each tribe can have their own set of rules, and those seem to be ever changing. And along with that, they're also changing the fees that they have to pay. The tower companies have to pay to the tribes to get those clearances done. So we're able to work. We have rapports with the tribes, with the government agencies, the SHPO offices, so we can hopefully have a very smooth process and again get the tower in compliance with the NEPA, so the tower companies can get the tower erected in a very timely fashion.
So what makes White Buffalo unique?
Well, what makes us unique is we're kind of, like I say, on the pointy end of the spear, I like to say. We have some tools that our clients like to use. We have something that's called Tower Tracker. Tower companies, or actually their vendors, turnkey vendors that are the project managers for the towers, they report back periodically with conference calls and whatnot to the tower companies. And with our Tower Tracker, it really helps us communicate with those turnkey vendors. They can go online and check the status, evergreen status of the tower. So they need to report back either to the tower company about a specific tower or for the whole group of towers on a conference call. It's a really quick look for them. It has some general comments of the status of where the tower is at, and also has completion dates that they can expect. And if we move those dates either up or back, we're able to tell them why that happened. And they find that very informative. And keeping the turnkey companies, our vendors, up to date with communication, keeping those lines of communication open is very essential to what we do. It makes their life a lot easier, and it actually makes our life a lot easier. And we do that quite well. We've been doing it for quite some time, and our clients really like that.